When I plug my charger into the iPhone, mobile data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth turn off. But as soon as I unplug the charger, they reconnect. Doing this will not only extend your iPhone's battery life, but also make it charge faster. Here's how you can set this up. Go to the Shortcuts app and tap on Add at the top. Give your shortcut a name, for example, Disconnect. Now tap Search and select Control. Choose Wi-Fi and set it to off. Tap Search again and select any other options you want to turn off while charging, such as Bluetooth or mobile data, and set them all to off as well. Next, let's create another shortcut to reconnect these settings when you unplug your charger. Repeat the same steps as before, but this time, name the shortcut something like Connect. Now, for each option you turned off earlier, select it again, but set them all to on instead. Finally, go to the Automation section. Tap Add, search for Charger, and select it. Set the first option to as Connected, and under Run Immediately, enable it. Then tap Next and choose the Disconnect shortcut you created earlier. Tap Add again, search for Charger, and this time set it to as Disconnected. Now, choose the Connect shortcut you created. And that's it. With this setup, your battery life will decrease by only about 1% per year. Make sure to save this video, because I know the next time you check your battery health, you'll want to come back and try this out. If you want to learn more tips and tricks about your phone or laptop, make sure to follow and subscribe to us.